Today's polyester carpets don't require harsh chemicals to remove stains. I'm Jeff with Dayton Carpet, and today I'm going to show you how to naturally wick this red Hawaiian fruit punch stain out of this carpet using nothing but distilled water in a process I call the art of stain wicking. Stain wicking is a smarter, gentler way to extract stains and odors. Instead of scrubbing, rubbing, or pushing the stain in deeper, we allow the carpet's own fibers to do the work. Carpet yarns act like tiny little wicks. So when we control the moisture properly, stains naturally wick their way up and out of the carpet. No scrubbing, no harsh chemicals, no damage. And all you need are a few microfiber towels, some plain distilled water, and a wicking plate. A wicking plate is just any flat water-resistant surface you can place on top of the towels. Its job is simple. Increase the contact points between the carpet and the towels, supercharging the process. If the spill is dry like this one, we'll reactivate the stain by applying 6 ounces of plain distilled water. Work your way from the outside in. Place your microfiber towels. Add your wicking plate. Add your weight and walk away. And if the stain is fresh, you don't need to add any more liquid. Adding more liquid only makes the stain bigger. Instead, we'll use the moisture already in the spill. We'll place our microfiber towels. We'll place our plate, a little weight. We'll walk away for about an hour. Now it's been about an hour. We'll remove our weights and our plates and our towels. Now, we're going to apply another 6 ounces to our stains. We'll apply our towels, our weights, and we'll let it go for another hour. Now it's been an hour. Set up our weights, plates, pull our towels. We can see what we got. This time, we're going to just take plain distilled water, and let's give every spot about 40 sprays. Place our towels. Plates and weights. And we'll give it one more hour. Using only distilled water, some wicking plates, and a few microfiber towels, the red fruit punch stains are gone. Now remember, we cleaned a dry stain and a fresh stain, and without any scrubbing, agitation, or harsh chemicals, the stains have left the carpet. Now, the reason this works is the wicking plate controls the evaporation and moisture, creating a sustained capillary gradient that allows moisture to continue moving upwards until the dissolved stain particles were fully transferred out of the carpet. We saw the stains go in, now you've watched physics bring them back out. I'm Jeff with Dayton Carpet, and with the art of stain wicking, when you control the evaporation, you control the stain. Thanks for watching.